Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for real remote jobs, ones that don't involve scams or endless signups, today's video is for you because I'm going to show you two trusted companies that are hiring remote workers worldwide. The first one is a top virtual staffing company known for hiring assistants, bookkeepers, and marketing pros. Another one is a global tech company that offers flexible remote roles with amazing benefits. And the best part, both companies let you work from anywhere, whether you're in Africa, Asia, Europe, or the Americas. So grab your notebook because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what each company does, the kind of job they offer, how to apply, and how to stand out even if you're a beginner. Stay tuned till the end because I will also share a bonus tip to help you get noticed faster. Let's start with the first one. The first one is called Belay. Belay is one of the most respected remote staffing companies in the world. They connect talented people like you with businesses that need help with daily tasks. So instead of working for Belay directly, you work with their clients, small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even large companies. Their name is Belay. It actually comes from a rock climbing term, meaning to provide support and safety to a climber. And that's exactly what they do. They help businesses climb higher by providing reliable remote support. Now, let's talk about the roles Belay hires for. The first one is virtual assistant. This is Belay's most popular role. You will help clients manage emails, schedule meetings, handle travel bookings, or even post on social media. If you're organized, professional, and enjoy helping others stay productive, this role could be perfect for you. Now, I know you're wondering how much do they pay? Average pay is between $18 to $25 per hour, depending on your experience and location. 2 is bookkeeping. If you are good with numbers, Belay also hires remote bookkeepers to help businesses track income and expenses. You don't need to be a CPA. Basic accounting knowledge or experience with tools like QuickBooks is enough to start. 3 is social media manager. For the creatives out there, Belay hires people to manage and create content for small businesses. If you love Canva, Instagram, or TikTok, this is a fun and flexible option. Now you might be wondering, is Belay legit? Yes, it is 100% legit. Belay has been featured by Inc. magazines as one of the best places to work remotely. They've been around for over a decade and have hundreds of verified reviews from happy contractors. And although they are based in the US, they occasionally open international opportunities, especially for virtual assistants and marketing professionals. The website is belaysolutions.com. When you get there, click on jobs or join our team. You'll find listings, pay details, and a simple online application. Now, before you apply, here are some insider tips to stand out. Record a short intro video. Belay loves seeing confident, friendly personalities. Just introduce yourself, your skills, and why you love remote work. Second one is highlight soft skills. They value professionalism, time management, and communication just as much as technical skills. Number 3, if you've ever done admin or customer service work, mention it. Even volunteering or church admin work counts. The 4th tip is be patient. Belay receives thousands of applications, so it might take a few weeks to hear back, but it's worth it. So you want to go to belaysolutions.com. So to get started, let me take you to their website to show you. This is belaysolutions.com. So to get started with them, scroll down to the bottom page, you see jobs. Click on jobs. Your right remote job is waiting. Pop quiz. What do Inc. magazine, Entrepreneur magazine, the Atlanta Business Chronicle, and Flex Jobs all have in common? Answer. They have all recognized Belay as one of the best places to work. Not that we needed award and fanfare to know that. We love where we work and now you can too. So just go ahead, read everything about them because during the interview stage you might need all the details you can. You open it, then click on apply now. Then you see current job openings at Bele. The good news, Bele is currently hiring and all roles are completely remote. Sounds too good to be true, right? We know that's why places like Inc. magazine and all of that has given them this award. So all applicants for any role, both corporate and contractor, will only be contracted from their official emails and only if they've applied through their official website, which is this belesolutions.com. So you'll be getting the email from their official emails, not so you need to be aware of that. And we will never ask an applicant for money in our application, our hiring process. So this is it here. Bele career openings, contractor positions. So if you want to go for contractor positions, you're free. If you want to go for corporate positions, you're free. For corporate positions, you must reside in this location, and for contractor positions, you must reside in these locations here. We are currently accepting applicants for residents of all states. So bookkeeping contractor, executive virtual assistant contractor, marketing assistant contractor, virtual assistant contractor. For corporate positions, they have client success consultant, assistant solutions, HR team administrator, solutions consultant, assistant solutions, staff accountant, Belly financial, staff accountant, onboarding, talent specialist solutions. So you're going to open them, read about it, okay? Read about the location. It's remote, okay? So read about the location, pay range, contractor pegs, and every other detail you need to read, and then click on start application and then start your application. Now that you know about Belay, let's talk about another global company that is changing the way remote teams work. It's called Time Doctor, and this one is open to people worldwide. Time Doctor is a remote software company that helps businesses track productivity. They created one of the world's most popular time tracking apps used by remote workers in over 100 countries. But here's what's exciting. Time Doctor doesn't just make remote work possible. They hire remote workers themselves. That's right. The company is fully remote. All their employees work from home from anywhere in the world. Now, let's look at the roles they often hire for. Number one is marketing specialist / email marketing manager. If you know how to create and send marketing emails, write newsletters, or manage customer engagement, this role is a perfect fit for you. And for those of you asking me for email templates, I have included it in one of the video, in the description of the video, how to make money replying to emails. It is in the description of that video, but I will also leave it in the description of this video. You can copy it, edit it as you wish, but please don't do copy and paste. All right, this is a bonus for you guys. The second one is customer support representative. You help customers troubleshoot issues or understand how the software works. All you need is a good English and communication skills. Number three is data analyst / QA testers. I have a lot of videos talking about QA testers on my channel, so you can go check them out as well. If you have a tech or analytics background, Time Doctor often has openings in data, testing, and product support. Number four is software engineer and developer. They regularly hire developers who know JavaScript, Python, or React, and all roles are 100% remote completely. Now let's talk benefits. Time Doctor offers flexible hours, you work on your own schedule, paid vacations and bonuses, wellness and learning stipends, and a global inclusive team that value diversity. Whether you're in Nigeria, India, Kenya, the Philippines, Brazil, or the UK, Time Doctor welcomes international applicant. You want to go to timedoctor.com/careers, click on view open positions, and it will bring down a drop down of open positions. They currently have positions in engineering, marketing, no department, product. So this one is remote completely. Backend engineer, fully remote. Marketing, brand and marketing designer, remote. Digital experience manager, remote. Product management. So you want to check which one, so you click on view job, and click on apply. It's that simple. Okay, you fill in the application and submit it for them. Now, here's how to increase your chances of getting hired at either company. First is tailor your CV. Don't just send a generic CV. Mention skills that match the role. For example, email campaign management for marketing jobs, calendar management, or inbox organization for virtual assistant roles. Step 2, be professional in your application. Yes, it is very important. Belly and Time Doctor both look for people who communicate clearly, so proofread your email or application before submitting. Step 3, prepare for video interviews. You might be asked to record a short video or attend a Zoom call. Dress neatly, smile, and show your enthusiasm for remote work. Step 4, keep learning. Take free online courses in marketing, time management, or communication. Websites like Coursera, Google, Digital Garage, or HubSpot Academy can boost your credibility instantly. Both Belay and Time Doctor stand out for one main reason: trust. They are not get-rich-quick schemes or fake work-from-home gigs. They are real companies with verified employees, transparent pay, and a long history of helping remote workers succeed. If you've been praying or hoping for a chance to work from home legitimately, these are great places to start. Don't sleep on it. So let's recap, in case you're just joining us now. Belay is great for virtual assistants, bookkeepers, and social media managers. Time Doctor, on the other hand, is perfect for marketing, tech, and customer support professionals. Both are hiring remote roles that pay well and give you freedom to work from anywhere. Now it's your turn. Visit belaysolutions.com and timedoctor.com/careers after this video. Apply for one or two roles that match your skills, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which company you're applying to. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another update on remote jobs hiring worldwide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we will uncover even more companies hiring virtual assistants and email marketers from anywhere.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.